Greetings to all of you from the Pentecostal Assembly School and wishing each one of you a very, very happy 75th Independence Day. What a great day it is, an auspicious day, a day to remember our freedom struggle, the sacrifices that have been made by our freedom fighters, the greatness of our nation, and to look forward to even a better future, a more glorious future. My dear children, my teachers, all parents associated with the Pentecostal Assembly School, today as we celebrate this very special Independence Day, let's think about what we can do for our nation. We often talk about the greatness of the past, but we need to make our present great. Let us band together, let us unite, and let us keep working hard with all our loyalty to keep our nation a great and a proud nation. Today I want to thank all my dear children who have been contributing their excellent work for the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Thank you children for the beautiful dances, the songs, all your creative work, the art and craft, everything which becomes a celebration of the rich diversity of our great nation. As we continue to celebrate this whole year, let us think about what we can do for our nation. My dear children, you have a great responsibility ahead of you, and I am entirely convinced that you're going to do a great job to be a proud Indian and to keep our nation great. So here's wishing each one of you a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you.